Today I would like to introduce how to use the mala beads. In Buddhism, we use the mala beads for our daily practice. For example, when we do the mantra chanting or reciting the different Buddha's name, for our purpose to do the practice, we will have one mala on our hand. Mala beads played a very important role to concentrate or to make our mind become peaceful and focus. So it's a kind of way of mindfulness training. We use this as a very important tool to help us. So a lot of people ask me, what type or what kind of material the mala is really a matter? In fact, that is not the really big deal to focus on how much we spend on this mala piece or what type material it made. My answer is I think this mala is just for help us to doing our daily practice, help us to become more peaceful and calm. So there's a lot of different type of mala beads. Some made by wood, wooden material. Some made by the stone, like a different type, maybe crystal or different kind of a stone. So all different kind of mala that's fine. You can use it. How to use it to help us to do our daily meditation practice or your Buddhist practice. When you holding a mala, you will holding on your left hand side like this. When you chanting the mantra, for example, right now I will chant Om Mani Padme Hum. That is a Bodhisattva. It's Guanyin Bodhisattva's mantra. Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 So you can see my thumb touch one bead when I finish the mantra chanting. So when you all go through from the beginning, here we say that's a main bead. Usually they have some decoration here. That's a main bead, head bead. Some people call it guru bead. I would say it's a main hand bead in here, holding on your finger. When you're holding the mala, you hold like this. It will make easier when you do the bead change. Om Mani Padme Hum, 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 Om Mani Padme Hum. Maybe let me do it more closely, then you will see. Om Mani Padme Hum, 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 Om Mani Padme Hum. When you all go through, travel all the mala, when you do the mantra chanting, you finish 108, you will go back to, I'm just saying that it's a head, main mala beads here. Before you touch the head mala beads, then you will stop here and turn your hand around another side and make this a posture to help you to easier to do another 108, the mantra chanting or Buddha's name chanting or reciting. So they will do like this. I hope this is closer, will make you to see easier how I use my thumb here. Move it one by one. When I finish one mantra chanting, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum. It doesn't look very hard, but you need to practice. So maybe I can turn around like this side. This will be see from this side. So this is how we hold the mala. And I will turn around to this side to let you to see how we can hold and turn our mala using our hand. You hold the mala like this, and you simply just use your thumb to move one by one. So I think this is a very brief introduction of how we use the mala to help us to do the Buddhist practice or your meditation practice. I hope this demonstration is clear enough for you, and hope can help you to understand how we can use this mala. And usually we were holding on the left hand. Some people will turn all around the mala, put on their wrist, on the hand here. Usually it's left hand, but I noticed a lot of people put on the right hand. But I think left hand is fine. Left hand is good. That is how we use the mala in general, and hope this can help you to understand a little bit. And I hope can see you next time. Thank you.